Step by step, I've walked 100 miles and I still ain't sure just what I'm trying so hard to find. The night seems longer and the wind blows louder when you wandered so far from home. If I cross your mind, say a prayer, I'll find my way and get off of this lonely road.
Can you hear me? Tell me, can you hear me? I've been calling out for help, still don't see nobody near me. I'm down and almost underground and so deep in the valley, I can't even tell you which way is the mountain. God, the only word I got, I could probably plant a garden, all this dirt I got. Trail of broken hearts behind me from the hurt I bought. Sometimes I really start to wonder if I deserve my spot, cause I'm just a man who's got
Got your fuzzy ball
blood
rub?
on his hands.
You gonna talk to me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Seems like Phineas and Ferb.
So where are you at on your truck? Back here.
Building door cards right now.
Okay. What are we building it out of?
Aluminum.
So if you don't notice, he's a little on the gun shy with being on camera. So we're gonna get him over this hurdle. What have we done on the glass? Where are you at on the glass?
Template.
How long have you been cutting glass?
A week.
I don't know nothing about glass, boss.
I don't.
I just do what you tell me to do. No, honestly, we've honestly, he's been cutting some flat glass. He's probably got less than 20 pieces under his belt. I don't think you've broken one yet, have you? So, you know, the ultimate progression for me is to get away from glass and give it to somebody else. So the curved glass, he honestly, earlier this week, he did a template for this truck back here, which probably is gonna get into a re-chop. So we need to get a glass cut so I can finesse the opening to get a glass in it. This is just another thing for you guys to remember, that when you guys decide you want to chop a top, have your glass guy in effect, like take them just to in recognition. They got to put a piece of glass in this thing, and glass don't bend and flex, and so it's not a plastic piece. So really kind of what. Oh, making you laugh?
Yeah.
All right. It's okay. We got him earlier. We're going to buy him some stilettos. Or what do they call them? Platforms. Get him some 1970s platforms. Yeah, so, but keep your glass guy in mind when you're chopping a top, because we're going to be, show the camera. Flat glass isn't the problem, the curved glass is. And so with that, he's gonna cut his very first piece of curved glass. I'd say probably early in the next week, because I gotta get the rubber here. We actually thought we had the rubber here for him, but the template's still, that's why the template's still in the truck. We need the template in the truck with the rubber so that way we can finish out the template. So he moved on to the door cards, which, did you show him what you've done? Have you showed him what you've
You got
done?
video of it earlier.
Did you?
Yeah,
Okay.
I already got the template out though.
Okay.
So
So
there's
we're
not really
gonna
much to be seen there.
we're gonna transfer that. He's gonna transfer that to some material. Probably, I'd say probably some 090 aluminum. I think the client wants some bead roll or something done, or maybe he wants it flat so he can have his upholstery do it. I don't know. I don't remember. We'll have to touch base with him. But pretty much this truck, other than glass and the door cards and a full alignment, I think is ready. Mm-hmm. At least ready for its first test drive. I know that there's going to be other things we're going to find, but
And speakers.
yeah, and speakers. So, yeah, it's not a big deal. It'll be done next week. I say that, but I want this truck done, but honestly, it's another couple of weeks out at least. When we do cut curved glass, though, honestly, we actually buy 3 to 4 pieces of glass at a time, because you don't want to pay shipping on one piece versus one piece every time you got to pay shipping on. So we buy more than one, and if we break them, well, we break them. You know, the client takes all responsibility for it. If they don't get charged until we break it, so or get it installed. So if we have 3 pieces out of the 4 left, then we sell them off, and client still only pays for 1 piece. So I think that's pretty much it for this. The cab over back there, we've got a set of regulators. We bought a set of regulators front and rear for that thing, stock bolt-in ones. We're having some issues with. We're not going to say yay or nay on what the actual problem is, because quite honestly right now, we don't really know if it's a regulator issue or if it's a fabrication issue or a placement issue for the glass with us. We just don't know. So that's one of them deals where I've got to get back here and try to get it figured out, because it ain't the client's problem, and it sure as heck ain't my guy's problem until we figure out what the problem is. And go from there. You know, it's just that truck, we need to get it going. My client's been super, super patient on this truck. We don't work on it all the time because obviously we've got other jobs, but it's got to go. This year, it's got to go. I really wanted it to go like this month, but we ran into that issue. So I guess it's a part of building stuff from scratch. So that's it. What are you doing, you French fry thief? Just come making debut. Oh, hi, Debbie. Yes, dirty dog. Okay, down. So yeah, anybody want a dog? Free to get home. Anybody need a set of wheels for a Model A? I got a couple sets. Those are for sale. You want to add anything, Nathan?
No.
Did you have a good day today?
No. Yeah.
That's the right answer. That's the right answer. Only reason why you had a good day is because you got paid. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Well, I think that's it for now. Until next time, I bid you adieu.